See, the previous class we discussed about de Broglie equation and Heisenberg uncertainty principle. You know, one of the limitations Bohr's model against the Heisenberg and as well as de Broglie equation. Now see, what are the reasons for the failure of Bohr's model of an atom? According to Bohr, he assumed that electron is particle nature. So he calculated the velocity, energy, and orbital frequency, time period accurately. But later two theories, Heisenberg uncertainty principle, according to him, is very difficult to find a position and movement of electrons simultaneously. That's why Bohr's model is discarded. Bohr's model is against the Heisenberg uncertainty principle and de Broglie equations. But this is not possible in case of Heisenberg principle. This model should account for dual character of matter and should be consistent with Heisenberg uncertainty principle only. Chalo. Achha, today's topic is quantum mechanical model of an atom. Of course, Schrodinger wave equation, quantum mechanical model of an atom. Means wave equation we are going to discuss. Classical mechanics based on Newton's laws of motion, which is applicable to macroscopic bodies, not applicable to microscopic bodies. अच्छा, macroscopic bodies के लिए particle nature dominant होता है, microscopic bodies के लिए wave nature dominant होता है. So classical mechanics deals with only macroscopic bodies, while it fails in the case of microscopic particles like electron, proton, atoms, and molecules, etc. Once again, classical mechanical model of an atom is failed for material particles like electron, proton, neutron, alpha particle, etc. So, this classical mechanics ignores the concept of dual nature of the material particles, like especially electron, proton, neutron, alpha particle. So, once again, quantum mechanical model of an atom deals with what? Description of the electron, and the electron motion in the three-dimensional wave, either in x, y, z axis. So particularly wave character dominates in case of electrons. But they go classical mechanics based on Newton's laws of motion, which is applicable to macroscopic bodies, not applicable to microscopic bodies, right? Achha, what do you mean by quantum mechanics? Achha, simply quantum mechanics, mainly the main purpose of quantum mechanics is to explain the wave nature of the microscopic bodies like atoms, molecules, like protons, neutron, alpha particle. The main theme is. So this is quantum mechanical model of an atom in our NCERT textbook also given. So we are going to discuss in detail what are given NCERT textbook quantum mechanical model of an atom. Acha, the wave equation is derived by Schrodinger, a German scientist. देखो this is wave equation. This wave equation, according to Schrodinger, according to quantum mechanical model of an atom, the electron motion in the form of a wave in a three-dimensional wave, the electron motion is either in x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. So he is a mathematician. He derived in the form of equation. So what is the equation? This is the equation. Dou square psi by dou x square, dou square by psi by dou y square, dou square psi by dou z square, plus 8 pi square m by h square, e minus v into psi is equal to 0. Acha, Hamiltonian operators simply This is designated as same manner. चलो ये psi is what? Psi is a wave function. Psi is a wave function which determines amplitude of the wave. Psi is a wave function which determines amplitude of the wave. We can discuss that as psi. Description of the electron either in x, y, z axis represents psi value. Psi is a wave function which determines amplitude of the wave. We know x, y, z are coordinates only. Acha, E is the total energy. E is the total energy. Acha, V is the potential energy. V is the potential energy. Very simple thing, eh? Acha, the scientist Schrodinger wave equation. Acha, this equation, wave particle, directly wave particle duality of the matter proposed by de Broglie is quite complex. So, for this, Schrodinger is a great mathematician. He given simple equation, that is this equation. Please note this equation, but which are not given in NCERT textbook. Equation is not given in NCERT textbook. It is eigenvalues. Note karo. Dou square psi by dou x square, dou square psi by dou y square, dou square psi by dou z square, plus 8 pi square m by s square, e minus v into phi is equal to 0. So this is a mathematical equation. This mathematical equation in the form of what? In the form of simply suppose ax square, second order bx plus c is equal to 0, just like this. Just like algebraic equation है, second degree equation है, x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Suppose solving the roots है, x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Solving the roots है, do you know what are the roots of this? Minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. These are the roots है. Just like this quadratic equation, how will he find the root sign? Same manner, he derived this equation, he get the psi values only. He get the psi values only. Once again, Schrodinger wave equation. Don't be panic about this equation, Schrodinger equation. Schrodinger equation, quantum mechanical model of an atom, explain wave nature of the electron. That electronic motion in the form of a wave that is in three-dimensional. That means either x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. He is a great mathematician. He given this equation dou square psi by dou x square, dou square psi by dou y square, dou square psi by dou z square plus 8 pi square m by s square e minus v into psi is equal to 0. This is a fundamental equation. Please note that. अच्छा, Hamiltonian operator, which is a total energy operator, but NCERT में दिया only one single line है. Don't be panic about this mathematics. Right? चलो, eigenfunction. चलो देखते हैं ये। अच्छा देखो, Schrodinger equation. We already derived that Schrodinger equation. अच्छा, dou square psi by dou x square, dou square psi by dou y square, etc. We have second order differential equation. We solved the second order equation. We get psi values. Psi is equal to some values are positive values are obtained, some are zero values are obtained, some are negative values are obtained. Psi having three values: positive values are, zero values are, negative values are. Suppose I consider x-axis है, x y z are perpendicular to each other only. अच्छा, electron motion shall I write? Electron motion in the form of a wave. Electron motion in the form of a wave. You know, size signifies amplitude of the wave. Amplitude means highest height of the crust. अच्छा, highest depth of the trough is nothing but amplitude. चलो एक काम करेगा, ये वाला साइन है. अच्छा, in this region psi is equal to positive value. अच्छा, दिस रीजन साई इज इक्वल टू नेगेटिव वैल्यू. अच्छा, here psi is equal to 0. Here psi is equal to 0. Psi is equal to 0. अच्छा, here positive negative means crust and trough only. Positive value, negative value and 0 value. Psi is equal to 0 का मतलब क्या है? Psi is equal to 0 का मतलब क्या है? Node where the probability of finding the electron is 0 is called node only. अच्छा, psi value positive value, psi value negative value, psi value 0 value. अच्छा, psi negative value 0 values are no significance है, psi positive values are only significant values. So once again, the significant values of psi is called eigenvalues. Significant value of psi values are called eigenvalues. Once again, by solving the second order, like that ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, you solve this equation, we get some solution for x value. Similarly, dou square x by dou s, dou square psi by dou x square, dou square psi by dou y square, dou square psi by dou z square plus 8 pi square m by h square a minus v into psi is equal to 0. In this equation, we solved equations, we get psi values are positive, 0, negative value. Achha, some regions of the space psi is positive, some regions of the space psi is negative, somewhere else psi is equal to 0. Psi is equal to 0 means nodal plane, nodal region. Later class, we can discuss what is the node and nodal planes only. But Schrodinger approach is a probability approach. Probability means never be negative value, never be 0. Maybe predictions are maximum probability. Probability का मतलब maximum possibility of description हो. That is called probability. But probability का मतलब psi is equal to 0, psi is equal to negative was not possibility there. So psi is replaced by psi square. Psi is replaced by psi square. What is psi square? Is a probability function. Psi square is a probability function. Once again, psi is equal to positive value, 0 value, negative value. When we get this value, sir, the second order differential equation is solved. We get the roots. Roots psi is equal to positive value, 0 value, negative value in particular region. I think you can note that. So probability approach is always positive. Psi never be 0, psi never be negative. That's why psi is replaced by psi square. Now what is the psi square representation? Now, अच्छा, what is psi square? Psi square is a probability function. Probability function. Psi square is a probability function which defines atomic orbital. Psi square is a probability function which defines atomic orbital. Now, what is meant by atomic orbital? What is the orbit? First of all, what is the orbit and what is the orbital? What is the orbit and what is the orbital? According to Bohr, distance from nucleus to outermost shell of an electron, this is called orbit. This path of the electron is called orbit. This is called orbit. But probability function is the probability of finding the electron, locating the electron around the nucleus is maximum. Around the nucleus is maximum. Somewhere else, the region where probability of finding electron is the maximum. The region where probability of finding electron is the maximum. चलो देखो, ये वाला ऑर्बिटल है, इस ऑर्बिट है, ये वाला ऑर्बिटल है. ऑर्बिटल का मतलब अच्छा, डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम न्यूक्लियस टू outermost somewhere else. अच्छा, दिस आर है, दिस आर प्लस डी आर है. अच्छा ये radius is only r. Here radius is nothing but r plus dr. Acha, in this region, dr region, the probability of finding electron is the maximum. Acha, this maximum probability is around 90 to 95% only. Acha, how we can define orbital? The maximum probability of finding the electron around the nucleus, where there is 90 to 95%. That is called orbital, atomic orbital. Where orbit is path of electron is called orbital. Difference psi square defines, psi square means maximum probability, but probability of finding electron inside the nucleus is zero only. That is called nodal plane, nodal region. But where maximum probability of finding the electron around the nucleus, that is called atomic orbital. Schrodinger, psi square signifies, psi square defines atomic orbital. Actually, you remember, psi square is nothing but probability function which defines atomic orbital. Acha, shall we go for what is the difference between orbit and orbital? Acha, main difference क्या है? Orbit orbital का main difference क्या है? Difference between orbit and orbital का. Now, orbit and orbital का difference क्या है? Orbit and orbital का difference क्या है? Orbital का difference क्या है? What are orbit? What is orbital? चलो very simple है. First point note करो first point. Orbit is a path of electron is orbit. Path of an electron is orbit. अच्छा, orbital is maximum probability of finding the electron. Maximum probability of finding the electron around the nucleus. अच्छा, path of an electron is orbital. Maximum probability of finding the electron around the nucleus is orbital. अच्छा, second point, orbits are either circular or some orbits are elliptical. Circular or elliptical, but orbitals are different shapes. S orbitals are spherical. S orbitals are spherical. अच्छा, p orbitals are dumbbell. अच्छा, d orbitals are double dumbbell. Double dumbbell. अच्छा, circular and elliptical. Now, orbits are nothing but non-directional. These are non-directional. But except s orbital, remaining are directional. Except s orbital, remaining are directional. Once again, these are non-directional. Except s orbital, remaining are directional. And we know maximum number of electrons in orbit is 2n square. But here maximum number of an electron can accommodate in orbital is equal to 2 only. Maximum number of electrons in orbital is only 2. See the difference, orbit and orbital, which are directional, which are non-directional. Orbit and orbital का difference क्या है? So note करो, path of an electron is orbital, and a maximum probability of finding electron around nucleus is orbital. अच्छा, orbits are circular and elliptical, whereas orbitals are different shape only. Orbits are non-directional, whereas except s orbital, remaining are directional only. maximum number of electron in orbit is equal to n square, whereas maximum number of electron in orbital is only 2. Maximum. Any orbital can accommodate a maximum of 2 electrons only. Acha, probability function. Probability function means a positive approach. Positive approach का मतलब क्या है? Electron is कहाँ जा रहा है? Around the nucleus. Around the nucleus only maximum probability है. That's why maximum probability is nothing but orbital. Acha, psi is replaced by psi square. Reason is why? Why psi is replaced by psi square? Right? So orbit and orbital, I think is very clear. Then we go for next. Acha, Schrodinger derived only 3 quantum numbers. Schrodinger wave equation में derived only 3 quantum numbers. Only 3 quantum numbers. Acha, he derived only 3 quantum numbers. Schrodinger equation में derived only 3 quantum numbers. What are the 3 quantum numbers? N, L, M. In this equation, derived 3 quantum numbers. Principal quantum number, azimuthal quantum number, magnetic quantum number. Not derived spin quantum number. Spin quantum number. So, for example, psi 420. What is the meaning of psi 420? What is the meaning of psi 420? Means psi N L M. Meaning of psi N L M. अच्छा देखो, you can compare करो. You can compare करो. N is equal to 4 है. अच्छा, L is equal to 2 है. अच्छा, M is equal to 0. देखो, N is equal to 4, L is equal to this 4d orbital है. For any z orbital है, pz orbital है, dz square orbital है, M is equal to 0. So representation 4d z square. अच्छा, sometimes questions are asking, which of the following quantum number is not derived from Schrodinger equation is spin quantum number? Which of the following quantum number derived from Schrodinger equation is principal quantum number and L and M? Okay, note karo. And this Schrodinger equation is applicable to only multi-electron species, not applicable to single atom. Note karo. This equation is applicable to this derivation. Schrodinger equation is applicable to this equation is applicable to this equation is applicable to multi electrons, only for multi electrons, not single electron, not single electron, only multi electron, not single electron. चलो, entire this topic है. I will conclude ये very simple thing है. चलो, I will conclude है what we discussed है. Schrodinger equation, quantum mechanical model, dou square psi by dou x square, dou square psi by dou z square, अच्छा dou square psi by dou y square, 8 pi square m by h square, E minus V into psi is equal to 0. This is the equation. Quantum mechanical model of an atom. This is a wave equation, electron wave equation. Electron motion is either in x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. But he is a mathematician. He derived the equation. He explained in the form of a equation only. Achha, this is just like a second order degree equation, algebraic equation. We solved it. He got psi values are positive values, sir. Some regions are negative values, sir. Some region में zero values. अच्छा, zero का मतलब node है. Later we discuss what is the node है. But out of positive and negative, which are significant value? Positive values are significant है. मतलब his approach is only probability approach है, positive approach है. Values never be zero, never be negative है. Whenever positive values are, psi is replaced by psi square है. Psi is replaced by psi square है. Psi square is what? Probability function है. Psi square is nothing but probability function है. What क्या probability है? Probability of finding the electron, locating the electron around the nucleus is maximum. That is defined as atomic orbital है. A difference at orbit and orbital का difference क्या है? Okay. And then during this equation, he derived only 3 quantum number है, N, L, M, and he cannot derive spin quantum number है under representation. This is only we discussed है. Now chalo we are going to discuss what are quantum numbers. How many quantum numbers are there? What kind of questions are asked in quantum numbers? चलो note करो. Next quantum numbers है. चलो one by one we can discuss. अच्छा, what are quantum numbers means? The numbers which are used to locate complete address of an electron. In order to tell the complete address of an electron, we require 4 numbers, and these are called quantum numbers. अच्छा, electron belongs to which energy level? Which is subshell? What orientation? And how it is revolving? Means either clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction. We require 4 numbers, and these numbers are called quantum numbers. So one by one we can discuss. अच्छा, first one is principle. Please put heading. This is a very important topic in structure of atomic structure. Most of the questions are previous class questions are based on quantum numbers only. First one is principal quantum number. अच्छा, principal quantum number is proposed by Niels Bohr. अच्छा, principal quantum number means K shell, L shell, M shell, N shell, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. N represents the principal quantum number. अच्छा, the main purpose of principal quantum number is to determine the size of the orbit or shell of principal. I am not correct. It is the important is size of the orbit. Size of the orbit, energy of the orbit, or energy of the orbit. The main significance of principal quantum number is to determine the size of the orbit or principal energy level of the orbit. Achha, already we know in Bohr's model we calculate the radius is how much, energy is how much, velocity is how much. So determines the size of the orbit or shell, nothing but energy level of the orbit. Actually, we already know that size of the orbit, energy of the orbit. How can you determine the energy of the orbit? By using the formulas also. Actually, once again, the number of electrons in a shell is given by 2n square. The number of electrons in an orbit is given by 2n square. Like K shell में how many है? Like note करो. Maximum number of electrons in a shell. Maximum number of electrons in a shell is given by maximum number of electron in a shell is given by 2n square. अच्छा, K shell में 2 into 1 square है, which is equal to 2. 2 into 2 square है, which is equal to 8 है. 2 into 3 square है, which is equal to 18 है. 2 into 4 square है, which is equal to 32 है. 2 into 5 square है, which is equal to 50 है. 2 into 6 square है, which is equal to 70. So it's nothing but K, L, M, N, O, P. Maximum number of electron in orbit is given by 2n square. Maximum number of electron in orbit is given by 2n square. Note करो. Maximum number of electron in orbit is given by 2n square. Maximum number of electrons in orbit is given by 2n square. Maximum number of electrons in an orbit is given by 2n square. Right? अच्छा देखो, significance is size of the orbiter. N value increases, size increases. अच्छा, this you might know very well. Or once again, if N value increases, size of the orbit increases, velocity decreases, kinetic energy decreases, potential energy and total energy increases. These two factors increases. If you want, you can note down. As the N value increases, size of the orbit increases. मतलब radius increases, velocity decreases, kinetic energy decreases, potential energy, total energy increases. On principal quantum number increases. This happens. It happens. As the size of the N value increases, size of the orbit also increases. चलो नोट करो ये वाला। Now, one more point is angular momentum, what we call as orbit angular momentum. Previous class में हम discuss किया orbit angular momentum. Orbit angular momentum. Orbit angular momentum is equal to nh by 2 pi. Suppose electron belongs to first orbit is h by 2 pi, second orbit is 2h by 2 pi, third orbit is 3h by 2 pi, fourth orbit is 4h by 2 pi. अच्छा ऑर्बिट एंगुलर मोमेंटम इज नथिंग बट nh by 2 pi, nh by 2 pi ऑर्बिट एंगुलर मोमेंटम ऑफ एन इलेक्ट्रॉन। अच्छा चलो and some other points also you noted. Number of subshell, number of subshells initial in an orbit. In orbit or shell is equal to n. Number of subshells in orbit is equal to n. For example, K shell में number of subshell is 1. There is only 1s. अच्छा L shell में 2s 2p. अच्छा M shell में 3s 3p 3d. अच्छा n शेल में 4s 4p 4d 4f. अच्छा नंबर ऑफ सबशेल्स in a orbit in a shell is equal to n formula. Number of subshell in a orbit is equal to formula n. अच्छा k शेल में only one orbital है, one शेल है, l शेल में 2 शेल है, 2s 2p है, m शेल में 3s 3p 3d है, n शेल में 4s 4p 4d 4f. So number of subshell in a shell is equal to n. अच्छा K shell में 1 है, L shell में 2 है, M shell में 3 है, N shell में 4 है. Note करो. Number of subshell in a orbit is equal to n. K shell में 1 है, L shell में 2 है, M shell में 3 है, N shell में 4. Right? Next. अच्छा maximum number of orbitals in a shell. Maximum number of orbitals in a shell is equal to n square. Maximum number of orbitals in a shell is equal to n square. n square. Example है K shell में nothing but 1 square है, which is equal to 1, that is equal to 1s. अच्छा L shell में 2 square which is equal to 4, that is 2s है, 2px है, 2py है, 2pz है. These are orbitals, 4 orbitals. For example M shell में 3 square 9 है. अच्छा देखो 3s 3p 3p 3d, मतलब s ऑर्बिटल में 1 है, p ऑर्बिटल में 3 है and d ऑर्बिटल में 5. टोटल काउंट करो 5 plus 3 plus 1 9. So maximum number of orbitals in a shell is equal to n square. Maximum number of orbitals in a shell is equal to n square. Note करो. Maximum number of orbitals in a shell is equal to n square. Maximum number of orbitals in a shell is equal to n square. Maximum number of orbitals in a shell is equal to n square. Now next one is azimuthal quantum number or orbital quantum number. Azimuthal quantum number or orbital quantum number. Orbital quantum number or azimuthal quantum number. Second one. First one, principal quantum number signifies size of the orbit, energy of the orbit, velocity of an electron, kinetic energy, whatever may be. But it signifies shapes of the orbitals. देखो सोमरफील्ड है. अच्छा वो इंट्रोड्यूस Line spectrum is explained by Bose model line. Fine spectrum is explained by Sommerfeld line. You introduce elliptical orbitals also. Acha L line. It was denoted by L, small l, orbital angular momentum. Sorry, orbital quantum number or elliptical quantum number is L. Acha, what are L values, sir? What are L values, sir? L values are L values are 0 to n minus 1. L values are 0 to n minus 1. Suppose L is equal to circular. Acha, L is equal to 0 to n minus 1. Suppose L is equal to n is equal to 1. What are L values are? L values are 0, 1. मतलब which orbital this is? 1s orbital. L is equal to 0. L is equal to 0 for s orbital. Shapes of the orbital. L is equal to 1 p orbital. Acha, L is equal to 2 d orbital. Acha, L is equal to 3 f orbital. Acha, n, suppose n value is equal to 2. What are L values, sir? 0 to n minus 1. L is equal to 0 possible. L is equal to 1 possible. मतलब 2 yes possibility there, and 2s 2p also possible. 2d not possible है, 1p not possible है. अच्छा, n is equal to 1, L is equal to 1, that is 1p never be possible, is not possibility there. 1p not possible है, 2d not possible है, but 2s 2p possibility there. So L values are always 0 to n minus 1. Note karo. L value is always 0 to n minus 1. Achha, this representation also you have to note down. L is equal to 0 for s orbital, L is equal to 1 for p orbital, L is equal to 2 for d orbital, L is equal to 3 for f orbital. L is equal to 0 s orbital, 1 p orbital, 2 d orbital, 3 f orbital. Chalo, what are L values are 0 to n minus 1. So other name for this orbital angular momentum quantum number or secondary quantum number. Actually, L value depends upon n values, already discussed. Actually, if n is equal to 3, what are L values are? 0, 1, 2, 3. N is equal to 2, L values are 0, 1. N is equal to 1, L values are 0, 1. Actually, n is equal to 4, what are L values? That means here 1p not possible, 2p not possible, 3f is not possible, 4g is not possible. Right? This. Actually, L value denotes what? Sublevel in a main energy level. Now the splitting of spectral lines in Zeeman effect, Stark effect. Achha, fine spectrum. Sommerfeld explained the fine spectrum of the hydrogen atom only. Achha, L is equal to 0, S sublevel, P, D, F, G, etc., etc. Achha, do you know, anybody knows what is S? S orbital का meaning क्या है? Sharp lines, sharp lines. P orbital का principal lines, D orbital का diffusion lines. अच्छा देखो, what is the meaning of S orbital? Here S stand for what? Sharp line. Sharp lines are found in photography film. Sharp lines, S orbital. अच्छा, P stand for what? Principal line. अच्छा, D stand for what? Diffusion lines. F stand for what? Fundamental lines. अच्छा, G orbital till not found है. G orbitals are not wet. We discussed it because in present periodic table में only 117 elements are present, 180 elements are present. Up to 180 elements, F orbital is sufficient. If you future and new elements are again discovered, then you're supposed to use G sublevel. S stand for sharp lines, S orbital, P orbital, principal line, diffusion lines, fundamental lines. देखो n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2. चलो ये वाला देखो कैसा, फिर check it. अच्छा 2s 2p 3s 3p 4s 3d 4p 4d, like this n plus l value, you know energy depends upon n plus l value. अच्छा n plus l value, अच्छा n plus l is 1 plus 0 1, 2 plus 0 2, अच्छा 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 0 3, अच्छा 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 0 4, अच्छा 3 plus 2 5, अच्छा 4 plus 1 5, and 4 plus 2 6, 4 plus 3 7. Increasing order of energy levels, subshells. अच्छा generally energy depends upon n plus l value. Higher the n plus l value, higher the energy level. Suppose two orbitals having same n plus l value, the energy decided by principal quantum number. That's why least energy level है, highest energy level है 2p. 2p 3s is same value, but principal quantum number is more in case of 3. That's why highest energy level. So energy diagrams, I think you might know very well. Please note that. N is equal to 1, N is equal to, N is equal to, N is equal to 4. Right? Chalo, very simple one. अच्छा देखो here S, P, D, F and G are what? Spectroscopic terms and signifies sharp lines, principal lines, diffusion lines, fundamental lines, and generalized lines, but not decided. But S, P, D, F, G are what is the meaning? Once again I reminded you. अच्छा S orbital is nothing but sharp lines in spectroscopy. Principal lines है, main lines है, diffusion है, fundamental lines है, right? As one more important topic is orbital angular momentum is also very important. ये नोट करो, जल्दी से नोट करो. We all discuss, जल्दी से नोट करो. The number of L values are equal to magnitude of N value. अच्छा, the energies of the various sublevels in energy level is, you know, generally S, P, D, F, G. Generally, the main purpose of ephemeral quantum number, orbital quantum number, it tells about shapes of the orbital. You know, S orbital is spherical, P orbital is a dumbbell, D orbital is double dumbbell. अच्छा, four-fold dumbbell is F orbital के लिए. S orbital is spherically symmetrical, non-directional. We can discuss separately one class है, shapes of F orbital, P orbital and D orbitals के लिए. अच्छा, D orbital double dumbbell shape है. F orbital के लिए complex shape है, four-fold dumbbell number, four-fold dumbbell number. So note करो, the main purpose of this, the main purpose of principal quantum number, size of the orbit है, here tells about the shapes of orbitals हैं. देखो S orbital is spherical है, P orbital is dumbbell है, D orbital is double dumbbell है, and F orbital is a complex है. nothing but four-fold dumbbell है. आप क्या करो, four-fold dumbbell है F orbital. देखो it tells about what? Shapes of orbitals. Generally it tells about shapes of orbitals. अच्छा देखो, ऑर्बिटल एंगुलर मोमेंटम है, ये गलत है, ये गलत है. अच्छा ये रहा, ऑर्बिटल एंगुलर मोमेंटम इज गिवन बाय क्या है? कैपिटल L इज इक्वल टू अंडर रूट L इंटू L प्लस 1 H by 2 pi, or else capital L is equal to L into L plus 1 H bar, Where h bar is nothing but h by 2 pi. अच्छा for any s orbital है, s orbital के लिए any s orbital है, s orbital के लिए l is equal to 0, capital L is equal to 0. For any p orbital है, capital L is equal to any p orbital है, l is equal to 1 है. So 1 into 1 plus 1 under root 2 h bar है. अच्छा for any d orbital है, any d orbital 2 into 2 plus 1. अच्छा root 6 h bar etc. They will ask you question है any s orbital के लिए ऑर्बिटल एंगुलर मोमेंटम क्या है 0. अच्छा p ऑर्बिटल के लिए क्या है अंडर रूट 2 h bar. d ऑर्बिटल के लिए अंडर रूट 6 h bar. सिंपली नोट करो ऑर्बिटल एंगुलर मोमेंटम इज गिवन बाय l is equal to under root l into l plus 1 h by 2 pi. Orbital angular momentum is given by capital L is equal to under root L into L plus 1 h by 2 pi. Right? Yeah, there is a lot of discuss magnetic moment के लिए later slide में हम discuss करेंगे. अच्छा देखो एनी पी ऑर्बिटल के लिए नेक्स्ट maximum number of electrons present in a subshell are this is the form. This is important. Maximum number of electrons present in subshell is equal to 4 plus 2. अच्छा when L is equal to 0, s orbital के लिए only 2 electron maximum. L is equal to 1 है, maximum number of electrons 6 electrons है. देखो maximum number of electron in a subshell 4 plus 2, in a shell 2n square, in a subshell 4 plus 2 है. Maximum number of electrons in a subshell is equal to 4l plus 2 है. देखो these are the same formula. Maximum number of electrons. It is say suppose आप याद करो maximum number of electrons in a subshell is equal to 2 into 2l plus 1. Nothing but 4l plus 2. Maximum number of electron with the same spin. Sometimes the question with the same spin. Whenever asked with the same spin, ask her 2l plus 1. अच्छा p ऑर्बिटल में मैक्सिमम है px y z में 6 है with the same spin 3. अच्छा with the same spin formula 2l plus 1 है. Maximum number of electrons in a subshell is formula 4l plus 2 है and nothing but 2 into 2l plus 1. अच्छा नेक्स्ट मैग्नेटिक क्वांटम नंबर. चलो एलिप्टिकल क्वांटम नंबर में क्या क्या वैल्यूज आर इंपॉर्टेंट है. द मेन सिग्निफिकेंस शेप्स ऑफ द ऑर्बिटल है. एस ऑर्बिटल के लिए स्फेरिकल है, पी ऑर्बिटल के लिए डम्बल है, डबल डम्बल है एक्सेट्रा. एल इज इक्वल 0 एस ऑर्बिटल है, 1 पी ऑर्बिटल है, 2 डी ऑर्बिटल एंड सो. एल वैल्यूज आर 0 to n-1. मतलब एल वैल्यूज नेवर बी इक्वल टू n वैल्यू. If you want, you can note down. L values never be equal to n value. Very important note है. L values are always less than n values. Never equal to n value. L values are always less than n value. Suppose n is equal to 4n, L value 0, 1, 2, 3 हो सकता है. 4 is not possible. Sometimes question asks which of the following set of quantum numbers is not permissible, which of the following set of quantum numbers are not possible. In that type question you can easily identify that L values are never equal to n values, always less than n values. This point also noted. So next, magnetic quantum number है, magnetic quantum number है. अच्छा, m or ml represented by m or ml, magnetic quantum number है. जो proposed by land है. अच्छा देखो, it describes the orientation of the orbital. No, it describes the orientation of the orbital. Not very important. It describes the orientation of the orbital. अच्छा, for a condition, kind of number of orientations का formula. Number of orientations का formula 2l plus 1. Number of orientations का formula 2l plus 1 है. Number of orientations का formula 2l plus 1 है. For example, s orbital के लिए, s orbital के लिए, p orbital के लिए, like d orbital के लिए, suppose orientations क्या है? Number of calculate, number of 2l, s orbital के लिए l is equal to 0. The number of orientations are, number of orientations are 1. अच्छा, p orbital के लिए number of orientations are 3. d orbital के लिए number of orientations are, अच्छा, I think you know orientations का मतलब, अच्छा, this is threefold degenerate ना, like px, py, pz. अच्छा, five-fold degenerate ना, I think you know dxy, dyz, zx, x square, y square, z square. These are called orientations. Number of orientations का formula 2l plus 1 है. s orbital के लिए 1 है, p orbital के लिए 3 orientations है, d orbital के लिए 5 orientations. These are not values, sir. These are orientations, sir. These are not values, sir. These are orientations. s orbital के लिए number of orientations 1 है, p orbital के लिए number of orientations 3 है, d orbital के लिए number of orientations 5. Number of orientations का formula note करो, लिखो. ये number of orientations का formula. अच्छा, for a kind of image, it explains G-man effect. Splitting of spectral lines in magnetic field is called G-man effect. It explains the G-man effect. Stark effect is splitting of spectral line in electric field is called Stark effect. It is G-man effect. Because splitting of spectral lines in a magnetic field is called G-man effect. In electric field is called Stark effect. Mainly number of orientations are important. Number of orientation of formula 12 plus 1. अच्छा, total number of m values, sir. These are called I said orientation, number of orientations. All I discussed there, 1 second, you check it. These are not values, sir, these are orientations. These are not values, sir, these are orientations. Please note करो. Total number of m values are nothing but orientations क्या है? Orientations का मतलब 2l plus 1 का orientations. S orbital के लिए only one value. That's why spherical in all directions, in all ways, all directions are same. That's why spherical in shape है. Px, py, pz है. Like 5 values है, 7 values है, 9 values है, etc. These are nothing but number of orientations का formula. अच्छा, what are the m values are? M values can take minus L2 plus L including 0. M can take values based on L value. L is equal minus L2 plus L including 0. What are m values are? Here, m value never exceeds L value but may be equal to L value. M never exceeds L value but may be equal to L value. But in case of L value never be equal to M value, always less than M value. But M value never exceeds L value, but may be equal to L value. चलो एक बार देख लीजिए. When L is equal to 0, when L is equal to 0, M is equal to 0, has only one value. L is equal to 1, M has 3 orientations. अच्छा, 1 orientation corresponds to 1 orbital. 3 orientation में 3 orbital. Right? M is equal to 0 indicates pz orbital. आप याद करो, ये point is very, this point is very important है. अच्छा, M is equal to 0 is nothing but pz orbital. But plus or minus M plus or minus 1 indicates either px or py. You know, if L is equal to 1 है, M का वैल्यू सर -1 0 plus 1 है. ये 0 क्या है? ये 0 क्या है? p ऑर्बिटल है. ये 0 क्या है? p ऑर्बिटल है, pz ऑर्बिटल है. ये क्या है? px है, ये py है. That is your choice only. px py is your choice only. But today, nowadays, internuclear axis, z-axis, and M is equal to 0 means always you go for pz orbital. M is equal to 0, always you go for pz orbital. But xy is your choice form. Whether you take plus 1 minus 1, anything you can go for it. So you remember. For example, मैंने psi 210 दिया. अच्छा, 2 means n is equal to 2, L is equal to 1, M is equal to 0. This is nothing but 2p orbital. M is equal to 0 means z orbital. Suppose M plus 1 minus 1, either x orbital or y orbital only. So always internuclear axis, z axis, M is equal to 0 means it should be a 2p z orbital. Note करो. M is equal to 0 means pz है. In case of d orbital, M is equal to 0 means dz square orbital. So, like देखो, L is equal to 2 means what are M values are -2, -1, 0, +1, +2, 5 values. अच्छा, 5 values are 5d orbitals. 5-4 degenerate in the absence of magnetic and electric field. 5-4 degenerate orbitals only. देखो, ये वाला, this is very simple है. dz square के लिए M is equal to 0. dz square के लिए M is equal to 0. ये नोट करो. xy के लिए प्लस और -2, these two are +2. अच्छा, yz है, xz है, ये वाला वेरी सिंपल है. dz स्क्वायर के लिए 0 है. अच्छा, xy के लिए x स्क्वायर y स्क्वायर ये प्लस और -2, एनीथिंग यू कैन यूज इट. अच्छा, मोस्टली दे विल आस्क दिस क्वेश्चन. They will ask this question. Like psi 420, what we discussed, psi 420. अच्छा, fourth shell L is equal to means 4d orbital. अच्छा, M is equal to G means 4dj square. M is equal to 0 means dj square orbital. अच्छा, number of orientations are different type, but here values are देखो. What are the values of M? -L2 plus L including 0. -L2 plus L including 0. अच्छा, don't go for much. L is equal to 7 है. So F sub, because not our syllabus band, your syllabus है F orbital है. अच्छा, -3, -2, -1, 0, this F orbital के लिए वाला. F soft level orientations are indicating 7 F orbitals. right? 7f, but not our syllabus side. They never asked the question regarding the f orbital. Up to s p d f f is enough. P orbital splitting is enough. अच्छा देखो ये नोट करो, p orbital 3-fold degenerate है. Degenerate means similar energy. अच्छा d orbital का मतलब, अच्छा degenerate means same energy level, same energy level, same energy level. Degenerate का मतलब same. अच्छा 5-fold degenerate, 7-fold degenerate, 9-fold degenerate. Degenerate का मतलब same energy level. अच्छा px py pz degenerate, trigenerate, penta means hepta. अच्छा 3-fold है, 5-fold है, 7-fold है, 9-fold है, etc. अच्छा total number of, already we discussed it. Total number of orbitals in energy level is given by n square. Total number of orbitals का formula n square. अच्छा first principal quantum number also I discussed है. Maximum number of orbitals in a shell is equal to n square है. This I already discussed है ना. Once again you note it करो. I remind करो once again. Total number of orbitals in energy level is given by n square. Maximum number of subshell in a shell is equal to n. Maximum number of electron in a shell is equal to 2n square. This formula is already discussed in principal quantum number, right? Right? This already we discussed. अच्छा already discussed ना. Psi 420. Psi indicates what? Psi 420 क्या? Indication क्या? Right? अच्छा ये क्या होता है? ये 4d है. m is equal to 0, 4d z square. Actually, we discuss later this. SPDF, PXPY separately. One class we are going to discuss shapes of p orbitals, shapes of d orbitals, right? अच्छा magnetic quantum number also represents quantized value of z component of the angular moment of an electron. Z component का LZ का expression है. अच्छा don't like orbital angular momentum is under root L into L plus H pi 2 pi, but here under root L into L plus H pi cos theta. What are the magnetic quantum number values for 3s, 4s, 5s electrons? Magnetic quantum number any s orbital के लिए L is equal to 0. What are the magnetic quantum number values of 3s, 4s? अच्छा बड़ा any s orbital के लिए any s orbital के लिए L is equal to 0. When L is equal to 0, M is equal to 0 only. When L is equal to 0, M is equal to 0 only. अच्छा M value always 0 for any s orbital. What is the M value of pz, dz square, fz? अच्छा for this M values are always is equal to 0 only, because internuclear axis is nothing but z axis only. dz square के लिए, fz cube के लिए, pz के लिए M value always taken as 0. M is equal always taken as 0 for नोट करो pz ऑर्बिटल के लिए, dz स्क्वायर ऑर्बिटल के लिए, fz क्यूब ऑर्बिटल के लिए m value always equal to 0. Now last quantum number is spin quantum number. For your kind of information, once again, from Schrodinger equation, he derived only 3 quantum number है, principal quantum number है, azimuthal quantum number and spin quantum number. Last one is spin quantum number है. Spin quantum number है. Hallenbeck and Gauss-Smith. Who proposed spin quantum number is Hallenbeck and Gauss-Smith. Spin quantum number. अच्छा, electron also spinning themselves while revolving around the nucleus. So electron having own spin, either clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction. Clockwise में plus half, generally arbitrary you can take. Anti-clockwise में -1 you can take. Spin angular momentum is a vector quantity. अच्छा, two orientation means clockwise or anti-clockwise. Clockwise or anti-clockwise. अच्छा देखो, an orbital cannot accommodate more than 2 electrons. That is correct. अच्छा, this already I discussed. 1 second. अच्छा, this suppose an orbital can accommodate a maximum of 2. This is now which is the most stable among this? An orbital maximum of 2 electrons, which is a possibility there. This is a maximum possibility. This is not stable. This is stable. अच्छा, 2 maximum we know. An orbital can accommodate maximum of 2 electrons with opposite spin. An orbital can accommodate a maximum of 2 electrons with opposite spin. This is not stable. This is not stable. This is a most stable. Right? अच्छा, how to find out spin multiplicity? How to find out spin multiplicity? Spin multiplicity is equal to 2 into sigma s plus. अच्छा देखो, spin multiplicity is equal to 2 into sigma s plus 1. अच्छा, what is sigma s total spin? What is sigma s? Total spin. Total spin. अच्छा, total spin का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? n into half. अच्छा, what is n? Number of unpaired electrons. Number of unpaired electrons. What is n value? Number of unpaired electrons. देखो, total spin is equal to n into half. What is n? Number of unpaired electrons. Total spin is equal to n into 1/2. अच्छा, for example, पर नाइट्रोजन के लिए देखो 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. अच्छा, how many unpaired electrons there? Only 3. So total spin is equal to 3 into 1/2. How much? 3/2 total spin. अच्छा, total spin का फॉर्मूला है n into half है. What is n? Is the number of unpaired electrons. Now the problem is, now I go further. Just I go for it. अच्छा, नाइट्रोजन shall I write like this? 1s2, 2s2. मैंने 2p degenerate है. Suppose somebody writing these are 2 electron over here. 2 electron over here and 1 electron over here. Somebody. अच्छा, 1s2, 2s2 and another is writing 1s2, 2s2. अच्छा, then how to find out spin multiplicity? And देखो how to find out spin multiplicity. अच्छा, here spin multiplicity का फॉर्मूला 2 into sigma s plus 1. 2 into total spin कितना है? Number of unpaired electron only 1 है. देखो, number of unpaired electron only 1 है. 1 into 1/2 plus 1. अच्छा, if electronic configuration of atom this is true, then spin velocity is equal to 2. Second case है. Now in this case है spin velocity is equal to 2 into sigma s plus 1. अच्छा, 2 into sigma s is 3 by 2, 3 into half, 3 by 2 plus 1. अच्छा, which is equal to 4. You know, Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity. The name itself is not Hund's rule. Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity. Why? Sometimes a question is asked, why half-field orbitals gets extra stability, maximum spin velocity is there. If I do electronic configuration, this spin velocity 4 ion. If this spin velocity is only 2 ion, we get 2, we get 4 only. So once again, spin velocity का formula 2 into sigma s plus 1. What is sigma s is total spin. How to find out total spin? Number of unpaired electron into half. In this example, number of unpaired electron only 1. So 1 into half plus 1, 2. In this configuration, number of unpaired electron 3 2 into 3 by 2 plus 1 which is equal to 4. So this spin velocity का formula. अच्छा, total spin ऐसा होता है, plus half भी हो सकता है, minus half भी हो सकता है. So electron is spinning about himself when revolving around the nucleus, just like Earth revolves around the sun. How Earth is rotating himself, and also electrons are same manner is spinning about their own axis. As a clockwise में plus half होता है, anti-clock में minus half होता है. So these are not valid. These are arbitrary. You have taken s is equal to plus half, s is equal to minus half. Note करो. Some examples. अच्छा, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. अच्छा, all 1A group elements. अच्छा, 1A group element में NS1 electronic configuration है. अच्छा, वैलेंस शेल में 2s1 है, 3s1 है, 4s1 है, 5s1 है, 6s1. अच्छा, प्रीवियसली आस्क्ड क्वेश्चन है, नीट का क्वेश्चन है. राइट 4 quantum numbers for valence electron of maybe sodium or maybe potassium, whatever maybe they will ask the question. Right, 4 quantum numbers for valence electron of sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. Anything they can ask you, but anything they will ask you, the simple thing is first, in case of lithium के valence electron का 4 quantum numbers, n value is equal to 2. अच्छा, s orbital के लिए l is equal to 0. If L0, m value 0. If L0, m value also 0. M is equal to 0. We know S is equal to plus half or minus half. Okay. अच्छा, सोडियम के लिए N is equal to 3. L value 0, M value 0, S value plus half. Anything. Suppose cesium के लिए they asked N is equal to 6 है. S orbital के लिए L is equal to 0 है. If L value 0, M value 0, S is equal to plus half or minus half. So many times asked this question. What are the write the 4 quantum, which are the following is correct for valence electron of sodium, lithium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. But we remember that all are 1A group elements. Then electronic configuration. Second shell में 2s1, 3s1, 4s1, 5s1. You need to remember this one. So previously some questions are asked. Whether rubidium also asked. N is equal to 5, L is equal to 0, M is equal to 0, S is equal to star. This kind of question they may ask you. Write 4 quantum numbers for valence electron of sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, whatever. They will ask you question. Lithium का sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. Remember 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s, 6s. That's it. Sure. Right. 4 quantum numbers. 4 quantum numbers for unpaired electrons for boron atom. अच्छा, write 4 quantum numbers for unpaired electron in boron atom. unpaired electron boron atom. देखो boron electronic configuration, boron atomic number 5 है, 1s2 2s2. अच्छा 2px1 also correct है, maybe sometime 2py1 also correct है, sometime 2pz1 also correct है, because all are degenerate orbitals. अच्छा based on what is electronic configuration given है. अच्छा what are 4 quantum numbers for unpaired electron means this unpaired electron, n value 2, p orbital means l is equal to 1. अच्छा x के लिए m is equal to -1 भी ले सकता है +1 भी ले सकता है. अच्छा s ऑर्बिटल के yes spin quantum number plus half होता. Suppose in examination instead of 2px 2 you write 2pz है, then n is equal to 2, l is equal to 1, m is equal to 0 होना. whenever 2pz ask करना m is equal to 0, s is equal to plus half. It depends which are given in examination, which are the following electronic configuration given examination. अच्छा without giving any electronic configuration you may write any of the options correct only. Is also correct है. n is equal to 2, l is equal to 1, m is equal to plus half, s is equal to plus half. Any of the one is correct if without writing any electronic configuration. They are writing electronic configuration 2px1 y1 z1, then you have to choose it. For pz orbital के लिए m is equal to 0, xy के लिए our choice है, either you take plus half or minus half. Like write 4 quantum numbers for unpaired electron for chlorine atom also. They will ask any questions. Because degenerate मतलब all are equal energy level. One electron means one electron will go for z orbital also, y orbital also, x orbital also. Right? Sure. Last question. एक और question है. अच्छा write 4 quantum numbers. Write all the quantum numbers. Write all the quantum numbers. All the quantum numbers. Quantum numbers for valence electron of magnesium. For valence electrons of magnesium. Magnesium atom. So now you are writing quantum numbers for 2 electrons. What is address of an electrons? अच्छा magnesium के लिए 1s2 2s2 2p6 अच्छा 3s2. The valence shell means these 2 electron. ये 2 electron है, first electron का address है. अच्छा n electron belongs to third energy level. S sub level means L is equal to 0. अच्छा whenever L is equal to 0, M value is 0. एक इलेक्ट्रॉन प्रस्ताव में है. Now दूसरा इलेक्ट्रॉन, second electron also belongs to second also electron s orbital है, orientation 0. But if one electron is clockwise है, another electron should be anti-clockwise. अच्छा the 2 electron का n is equal to 3, l is equal to 0, m is equal to 0, s plus r. Second electron also belongs to third energy level. Second electron also belongs to s sub level. S is equal to 0 means m is equal to 0 always, but one is clockwise should be, other should be anti-clockwise. That's why this is nothing but a Pauli's exclusion principle line. No 2 electron in an atom can have all the 4 quantum numbers are the same. No 2 electron in an atom can have all the 4 quantum numbers are the same. That means at least they differ by spin quantum number. What is this? This is nothing but Pauli's exclusion principle only. That means an orbital can accommodate a maximum of 2, that 2 with opposite spins on. No 2 electron can have all the 4 quantum numbers are the same. 3 may be same, but fourth one should be different only. अच्छा, first electron belongs to third. First electron subshell s orbital must L is equal to 0. L0 means M0. Second electron also same. 3. S orbital means L is equal to 0. M is equal to 0. But the only thing is one is clockwise spin, another one is anti-clockwise spin. Okay.